This AI knows everything about you. Try it yourself. Welcome back to the channel where we reveal the future, one breakthrough at a time. Today we're talking about the most shocking, terrifying, and genius part of AI. How it can know you better than you know yourself. And yes, you can try it too. 1. How does AI know us? AI gathers data from various sources, including social media, online searches, purchase history, and even smart devices in your home. By analyzing this data, it can identify patterns and preferences. Machine learning algorithms are trained to recognize behaviors, predict future actions, and provide personalized recommendations. These systems use a vast amount of information to build a profile of each individual. Advanced AI can even interpret subtle cues like tone of voice or facial expressions, further refining its understanding. 2. User experience. When interacting with AI-driven platforms, users often experience highly personalized content and recommendations. This tailoring can make everyday activities like shopping, entertainment, and social media browsing more convenient and engaging. However, it also raises questions about privacy and consent, as many users may not be fully aware of the extent to which their data is being used. Despite these concerns, the seamless and intuitive nature of AI integration generally enhances user satisfaction, making services more efficient and tailored to individual needs. 3. AI knows you better than you. AI's ability to understand users stems from its skill in identifying subtle patterns and habits in vast data sets. It doesn't just consider what you do, but also how, when, and why you do it. By continuously learning and adapting, AI can anticipate your needs, sometimes before you're even aware of them. For instance, it might suggest a movie based on your recent watch history or recommend products you didn't realize you wanted. This deep insight can feel uncanny as the AI adapts and evolves with every interaction, refining its understanding of your preferences and behaviors. 4. What companies are doing with this information? Companies utilize the information gathered by AI to tailor their marketing strategies, create targeted advertising campaigns, and enhance customer service. By analyzing user data, they can develop more effective products and services that meet consumer demands. Businesses also use AI to optimize their operations, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Moreover, data-driven insights allow companies to predict market trends and stay ahead of competitors. 5. But is that good or bad? AI's capability to personalize experiences and optimize services brings undeniable convenience and efficiency. However, it also raises concerns about privacy, data security, and the ethical use of personal information. The depth of knowledge AI systems possess can lead to feelings of being constantly monitored, causing discomfort for some users. Additionally, the potential for misuse of data, whether for manipulative advertising or unauthorized access, adds another layer of risk. Users may feel a loss of control over their personal information, questioning whether the trade-off between convenience and privacy is worth it. 6. Can you hide from AI? Reducing your digital footprint can make it harder for AI to gather detailed information about you. Limiting social media usage, disabling tracking on your devices, and using privacy-focused tools like VPNs and encrypted messaging can help. Regularly clearing your browser history and cookies also minimizes data collection. While complete anonymity is challenging, taking these steps can significantly reduce the amount of data AI can access. Additionally, being cautious about the permissions you grant to apps and websites can further safeguard your privacy.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.